Hello, it's time for 5 new words. This is gonna be a simple lesson and we'll learn how to say day, night, week, month, and a year. So let's start. Day, dan, dan, dan. Night, noć, noć, noć. Week, tjedan, tjedan, tjedan. Month, mjesec, mjesec, mjesec. Year, godina, godina, godina. Dan, noć, tjedan, mjesec, godina. Dan, noć, tjedan, mjesec, godina. One last time and try repeating after me. Dan, dan. Noć, noć. Tjedan, tjedan. Mjesec, mjesec. Godina, godina. There you go. It was sweet, short, and simple. Now make sure you learn those 5 words, okay? I'll be hearing you soon. Bye.